I just checked my mail and I got my new crap kit today from Scrapbook.com. I just cut open the packaging. What is this month's kit? Your July kit. Sweet Summer Fun is all in swing. Best summer collection ever by Echo Perk. Trying to get this done because we're supposed to have some thunderstorms this afternoon, and I want to get this done before the thunder hits. Ooh, I'm liking this paper. Fingers aren't working this morning. Oh, cute. Swimsuits. And balloons. Oh, hang on. 2 pages stuck together. Crosses or plus signs. Balloons. Cut-aparts. I love cut-aparts. Pink flamingos. Checker. Pink flamingos again. Pineapple. Oh, that would have been perfect for my Hawaii one. But that's done and over with, thank goodness. Cut-aparts again, all sizes. I love that. Ooh, I like that side too. That's cute. Flowers. Pink stripes. Looks like a food truck page. And stripes. Popsicles. Boy, my fingers are not working today. Sorry about that. Oh, there's 2 pages stuck together again. Green stripes. Barbecue. Yellow or green. And a green, excuse me. And words. And popsicle. Or ice cream cones. And a cut-apart sheet, or watermelons, sunglasses, and blue. And what's the sticker sheet? Cute. All right, that's done. And we have Keeping Cool by Rosie's puppy stickers. Those are very cute. And this is Paper House. 1 sheet of, that would have definitely been perfect for Hawaii. And what is it? Simple Stories Journal Pieces Summer Snapshots, 44 pieces. And that is my kit this month. I am going to put this away. Have a great day or night wherever you're at. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.